Hello everyone, let's explore more features of broadcast list in your WhatsApp, right? I told you about how to delete it and how it actually works. Let us know more. Go to your WhatsApp, tap on the list, right? And you can see clearly we can send messages like we do normally, right? It's just that every recipient added in the list, the broadcast list will get it, right? But if you want to delete it, then what you have to do is you have to go to the broadcast list, right, which you created, and from there you will delete the message for everyone. Only then in the individual chat of that person who is added in the broadcast list, from their chat the message will be deleted. Means you cannot delete individually this broadcast message, right? So this is one of the features that you should be aware of, and be careful before sending the message on the broadcast list. And you should be aware who is added in the broadcast list, right? So I tapped on three dots and you can see I can change the wallpaper, I can check the media of the broadcast list, and also information like who all are, like usually we do in the group or maybe individual chat. So such features are also available. You can add it to the list as well, not just groups or normal individual chats, but you can add the broadcast list as well in the list option, which I have covered in the previous videos, right? You can delete the chat and etc, normal things, right? And when we go to the information area, we can see we can add recipient, we can change the profile pic, we can change the name of the list, and we can delete the broadcast list, right? So you can also edit the recipients, like you can remove some, and that is what you can do. So these are some basic features that you should be aware of while using the broadcast list, and everything will be notified to you in this. Like usually you send the messages, you can send it and delete as I told you. And also just make sure that if you are deleting the broadcast list, there you will get an option of whether you want to delete the media of that as well or not. So that is how we do it. See you in the next video or the previous where I told you how to create the broadcast list. Ta-da!